Serengeti National Park in Tanzania, a place where wildlife is teeming with life, has a special story of magical combinations of species. A tiny bird, known as the horned bird, has found a very unique way to survive. It lives inside the horns of wild animals such as buffalo, antelope, and rhinoceros. These horns not only provide a safe haven but also strategic locations that give the birds easy access to food from larger animals. Meanwhile, these animals do not feel bothered by these small visitors, creating a wonderful symbiotic relationship. This is not only a testament to the creativity and flexibility of nature, but also shows that every creature, no matter how small or large, has an important role to play in this wonderful ecosystem. The Serengeti nature is truly magical